Hey YouTube, this is Dane Harrington. This is my first video. I just got this blowdart gun the other day, and I wanted to share it with y'all. I got it from Walmart, and I don't know what bore it is, but it's pretty fun. So, yeah, let me set this right here. So here it is, a blowdart gun. Yeah. It comes with darts like this. Have a nice sharp point. Ow. The original box thing comes with these. I don't know what they are, but they're just parts that go in the blowdart gun. They don't really fit too well in the main part. When you first put them in, you have to put them in like down the end of the barrel, and it comes with 8 of them, 8 of these, but I lost one, as you can see right there. Did that. I got it for let's see, I have the receipt right here. I got it for, it's $19.97 at Walmart. And well, I bought some extra darts and I bought a 24 pack. Those were $3.47 at Walmart too. So, and I bought myself a PC that day too. So it all came out to $25.75. So, yeah. But the blowdart gun also comes with these right here. These are like for like knocking out like little rabbits or lizards or whatever you are hunting. And well, these are not really well, they don't fly too well, but yeah, so you got those. Yeah, so it shoots these. You load in right there. So yeah, let me do that now. You have to push it in until you hear it click twice. Well, you'll feel it click twice. And then what you'll do is you'll kind of tip it up to keep it back. You'll keep this pressed down because this one that I got is kind, whenever you grab the mouthpiece and like you just like dangle it like this and like shake it, it falls off. So that's one defect to it. So yeah, you could put it in like that, but people who can't push it in right there, they can take it off and put the dart in right there where it's supposed to be. So yeah, let me put that back on. And so now I'm gonna show you it shoot. Well, we got that box right there set up. Oh yeah, it also comes with the instruction booklet, which has a little zombie face on the front. It comes with different zombie faces. You got that with the instruction on the back of it. Then you get this one, and then you get this one. So yeah, it comes with 3 of those. Hold those back up. Sorry if I sound sick. I've been sick for a little bit and I got stuffy nose. So yeah. Right here, I'm gonna okay, so I've already got dart load in there. You can't see down the barrel, so that means that there's dart in there. So yeah, so well, I'm gonna put you down there by it. Watch it, sink in. Yeah. There you go. Let's see, is that level? Yeah, that's good. So yeah, here's it shooting. I'll do one more. So yeah, that's it shooting. Um, Here's how deep it went. I didn't really shoot too hard. I wasn't blowing hard enough, so yeah, didn't go in too deep. I'll do it one more time so that you can see it really well. See if it see if I can get it in deeper. Okay. Here's shot number 3. And there was shot number 5. So yeah, can't really see this black one right here, but it's right there. I moved. No, that doesn't help. Yeah, now you can see it. So yeah, this time the black one went a little bit deeper. It's this one right here went in pretty deep. The blue one's still not making it all the way through. Well, you can't really see it, but it just barely poked through the other side. Well, so yeah. These little things. So yeah. Do not shoot at people. Not a good thing. Yeah, these hurt like crap. I dropped one on my foot the other night, and it does not feel good. These aren't that heavy, but if like you drop them like and they fall straight like that, they stick in pretty well. Like it stuck into my carpet just now. Here, watch. Oh, well, you get the picture, but I just dropped this one and it like went straight into the ground. Oh, I dropped that there. But yeah, so hold on. If y'all, I'm gonna show you all the blunt force ones that like hit like really hard. Show you what kind of damage those do. Let me grab one real quick. Here's it shooting the blunt force one. Well, that completely missed. Flew right by. Embarrassing. Here it is again. Wait, so, here's it shooting again. This time I'm gonna hit it. Oh, as you can see, it ricochets off, but that's a good dent in it right there. That was not there before. So yeah, it pushes in on it. So yeah, this blowgun right here is really fun. Do not shoot at people. That's a big no-no. And also, these are a weapon, and so you can't carry them around in public. It says so on the box. Let me grab that real quick too. Yeah, so it's it. It says this sale is restricted to adults only, so you have to have your parents help you if you're not 18. But yeah, it says you must wear protective goggles. I didn't, because I'm shooting at something that won't ricochet off. except for these kind. This kind will. That other kind under my bed over there, somewhere over there. Yeah, fuck it. Um, uh, what else? Let's say. Uh, the It says consult your local law enforcement agency prior to use. Do not point or shoot this blowgun at any living thing. Shoot only at targets like what it came with, the zombie faces. Cause yeah, that's real nice for shooting at dead humans. Murder much? Think about it. We're pretty much murdering a dead human being, but it's still a human being. But they're dead, walking around. Still, it's murder. They need to think. Retards. Yeah. Uh, well, that's my blow. This was a review and a shot on the blowdart gun. Um, yeah. It's really fun. You should go out and buy one. They're 1997 or whatever I said earlier. Check, go back, rewind. Um, yeah. Uh, have fun, be safe. Do not shoot at dogs, cats. If you don't like cats, like me, I will shoot at a cat. 'Cause I don't care for them. Just have to lose a dart. I have 24 more. Well, I have a whole crapload more. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can take, after you took the mouthpiece off, you can slide, this barrel thing right here, the thing that holds the darts that comes with, off, and then the little guide thing, and then your grip right here, and then, slide that thing over there off, if you don't really want it. They're not really used for anything. Unless you're like having a little war with your friends. Um, but then you can take these ones off up here because that's where these came from, and you can put your extra darts that you bought right there, and then slide the thing back on, and then this back on, and then your mouthpiece back on. Yeah. Ow! I just stabbed myself. That right there on. Both of those pieces right there. Yeah, right there. But yeah. Uh, what else? Different. But yeah, or to like scare off a cat with it. Instead of losing one of your good darts, use one of these. Pops it right in the butt and it makes it jump up like 5 feet. It's really funny. I scared a cat with a broom one time. I watched it jumped up onto the ceiling. Well, the wall, but I watched it jump high. It was funny as crap. I wanted to do it again, but he was on to me. So yeah, that's uh, that's the review and shooting of the blowdart gun, Terminator blowdart gun from Walmart. Uh, Go out and buy yourself one. Be safe. Yeah. Thanks for watching.